What you are seeing on my screen is WebWhats or What's Web. What Web or WebWhats is an application to use WhatsApp web on mobile phone. So in this guide today, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure to download and install WhatsApp web or WebWhats on your Android phone. If you have been looking for how to download WebWhats on your Android phone and install it, here is an opportunity for you to grab. So in this step-by-step procedure on WhatsApp APK app, I will show you how to download and install the WebWhats APK on your Android phone. So I've been able to download the WebWhats on my Android phone, and the features of the WebWhats APK include ability to use WhatsApp on mobile using the QR code on your Android phone. So with this option, you can easily track or read a third-party message on the WebWhats app without the person knowing. So, and the second feature is an app that you can easily use to save WhatsApp status. So you can use it to download WhatsApp status and save it in your phone. So meanwhile, the app is a paid app or is a free app with tons of ads. So if you wouldn't mind the tons of app on it, then you can use this feature as well. The second feature is feature to clean WhatsApp, which is called What's Cleaner. Here you will be able to delete images, videos, audios, voice notes, documents, database, GIF profiles, etc. using the WebWhats. And lastly is the gallery. The gallery feature allows you to access your phone gallery and video.
You looking for a cute girl?
And video. So if you want additional feature, you can include smart light and Watt tracker chart. But in this case, we are only interested on how to download and install WebWhats or WhatsApp, as the case may be. So what I will do now is we'll go straight to the tutorial. Now open your browser and go to techslite.com. So you can translate the website if you don't understand it. So use the Google Translator option. To view the website on a desktop, tap on the option to the top right and click on desktop site. Now, on the search button, on the search box, type WebWhats and click on the search button. Now, tap on the first article that describes how to download and install WebWhats APK on Android. Now, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the article for WebWhats link, WebWhats download link. So here you have information such as app name, which is either WhatsApp or WebWhats, and the current version is 5.3. The size of the app is 7.39 megabytes. So you need to click on the download link. Now a new tab will open. Accept the cookies and wait for the download to restart. Now once the download link generated, you need to click on WhatsApp the version and tap on the download button. So if your internet is working perfectly, you will be able to download the WhatsApp. So I have downloaded it. So when I go to my Chrome browser more option and tap on the download button, then you can see that I've been able to download the WhatsApp app. You got this one. You can see WhatsApp. So you need to click on the WhatsApp. Then choose your installer, whether you want to use the package installer or ES File Explorer. So in this case, I'm going to use the package installer, which I suppose that your phone will also have the package installer in case you don't have the ES File Explorer. Now, you need to tap on this install button to the bottom right and wait for the WebWhats or WebWhats APK to install. This might take a few seconds, and once the app has successfully installed on your Android phone, you need to click on Done to close the app or Open to launch the WebWhats APK. So as you can see, this is the screen of the WebWhats APK when you launch it. So now you can now use the app to access WhatsApp web on your mobile phone or tracking another person using your mobile phone with the help of the WhatsApp web. So this app is mainly for educational purpose, and make sure it is used accordingly. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.